Hello people, welcome to my channel. So it's December and it's my baby's birthday month. Since he's a crazy Peppa Pig lover, so this year I decided to keep a Peppa Pig themed birthday for him. The planning was done around a month ago and I started doing all the DIYs just a week before his birthday. So let's see how I prepared all the stuffs at home on a budget. So here we go. Now, to match my theme, I decided to DIY a Peppa Pig t-shirt. For that, I have taken a Peppa Pig printout, cut it according to my t-shirt size. Now insert a cardboard to prevent spoiling backside of the t-shirt. Now keep two cling wrap sheets at the bottom and one cling wrap sheet on the top of the printout. Now put a baking paper at the top and iron all the sides properly. Now basically hot iron will melt the plastic and your printout will stick on the t-shirt. The next thing, I'm going to make a chart paper. For that I have taken a blue, green and yellow chart paper and I'm going to arrange everything to match my theme. Now to make standing number 2, I have taken two cardboard cutouts. Now I am going to paste disposable cups with the help of a glue gun. So the base of our standing number is now ready. Cover all the sides with the help of cardboard and a masking tape. Now the next thing I'm going to make is a selfie frame. I have taken cardboard pieces of equal length and width and I'm going to attach them with the help of a masking tape. I have taken few printouts and I've pasted them on a thick cardstock paper and I'm going to stick them on the selfie frame. To make a Peppa Pig home, I have taken a waste rectangular box and I am going to cover it with the help of a yellow chart paper. Now take a cardboard, cut it into half and stick both the pieces with the help of a masking tape to make the heart-shaped structure. Now to make a wooden palette, I have taken popsicle sticks and I am going to cut all the edges. Now the next and my favorite part is decorating a cake. It's a black forest cake and the design I have chosen is very basic. I could have made it done from the market, but doing it myself gives me immense peace and satisfaction. Finally, the day has arrived. Now let's see how I set up the decor.